5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Sheikh Zayed Festival welcomed the new year with a bang, breaking 4 Guinness World Records. The 40-minute-long fireworks display that lit up the skies over Al Wathba in Abu Dhabi was a visual treat for the crowds. Alongside the fireworks, a record-breaking 5,000 drones drew artistic images in the sky, making it an event to remember for all those who attended. The festival's New Year's Eve celebration program included international folklore and artistic performances, recreational events, and activities for children. Visitors flocked to the event from all over the world to ring in the new year in style.